Dear students, in this video, we are going to learn degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison describe the relationship between nouns based on qualities. There are three main degrees. The first one is positive degree, the base form of an adjective describing a quality without comparison. For example, honey is sweet, jam is tasty. The adjectives sweet and tasty describe the quality of the nouns honey and jam respectively without any comparison. The second one is comparative degree, in which two nouns are compared, often formed by adding er or using more to the adjective. For example, honey is sweeter than jam. Jam is tastier than gulab jam. Here, honey is compared to jam. Jam is compared to gulab jam. The adjectives sweet and tasty is added with er and referred as sweeter and tastier. The third one is superlative degree, in which three or more nouns are compared and often formed by adding est or using most to the adjective. For example, honey is the sweetest food. Jam is the tastiest food. The adjectives sweet and taste is added with est and referred as the sweetest and the tastiest. Now let us learn the transformation of degrees of comparison. It can be transformed into other degrees of comparison without changing their meaning. The three types of model are CP model, TAN model, and OMV model. Let us be familiarized with all these models through this video. The first type of comparison is CP model, and the comparison is between two nouns. Therefore, there is a chance of transforming comparative degree to positive degree and positive degree into comparative degree. For example, jam is not more delicious than gulab jam. It is a comparative degree. It can be transformed into positive degree without changing the meaning, as gulab jam is as delicious as jam. Here, comparisons of equals is expressed by as plus adjective plus as. Similarly, honey is sweeter than jam. It is comparative degree. Jam is not so sweet as honey. It's a positive degree without changing the meaning. Here, in negative comparison, so plus adjective plus as is used. The second type of comparison is between more than two nouns. Therefore, three forms of degrees, comparative, positive, and superlative degree, can be transformed. Let us name it as TAN model, in which noun always takes singular verb. For example, gulab jam is the tastiest sweet in a tray, its superlative degree. Gulab jam is tastier than any other sweet in a tray. It is a comparative degree. No other sweet in a tray is as sweet as gulab jam. It's a positive degree. The TAN model, in which the noun takes singular verb, as the nouns gulab jam is compared with the singular noun sweet in a tray. The third type of comparison is also between more than two nouns. Therefore, it has comparative degree, positive degree, and superlative degree. But the comparative noun takes plural verb. For example, rasgulla is one of the most delicious sweets in a tray. It is superlative degree. Rasgulla is more delicious than many other sweets in a tray. It's a comparative degree. Very few sweets in a tray are as delicious as rasgulla. It's a positive degree. The OMV model, in which the noun takes plural verb, as the nouns Rasagula is compared with plural noun sweets, and it takes the plural verb or. Now let us try to transform the sentences that is given in our 12th textbook, page number 159, the task 1. To transform the sentences using the comparative degree without changing the meaning. The first one is, very few boys in the class are as tall as Ravi. It is OMV model. The noun boys is in plural and it is compared with Ravi. Therefore, Ravi is taller than many other boys in the class is comparative degree. Second one is, hurricanes are as dangerous as tornadoes. It is CP model. The comparison of noun is between hurricanes and tornadoes. Therefore, tornadoes are not more dangerous than hurricanes. In negative comparisons, not plus adjective plus than is used. This is the most challenging task I have ever undertaken. It is TAN model. The most refers the superlative degree. The noun task is in singular. Therefore, the comparative degree is, this is more challenging than any other task I have ever undertaken. The fourth one is, email is the fastest means of communication. It is also TAN model. The given sentence is in superlative degree. The fastest is used. The noun communication is in singular. Therefore, the comparative degree is, email is faster than any other means of communication. The fifth one is, compulsive gambling is the worst habit a man can develop. It is TAN model. The given sentence is in superlative degree. The worst is used. The compared noun habit is in singular. Therefore, the comparative degree is, compulsive gambling is worse than any other habit a man can develop. Now you can try to do the task 2 and task 3 given in your textbook, page number 159. I hope you are familiar with degrees of comparison. Thank you.